Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down a fascinating and really tough economic question.
It's a common argument, right, that environmental damage is just a necessary price for economic growth? But this map shows the stark reality of that choice. The problem is massive, and it's unequal.
I mean, some regions face pollution levels that are just way, way higher than in developed countries.
So let's look at the real cost of all this pollution. It goes far beyond just dirty air and water.
Extreme heat has a direct and, well, a deadly impact, increasing mortality rates with every single hot day.
And long-term air pollution? It doesn't just make you sick, it can literally shorten your life by years. And get this, even losing a single species like vultures in India had huge, unforeseen health costs.
And it's not just pollution. Essential natural resources are just disappearing at an alarming rate.
So, if the environment is this hazardous, why can't individuals just, protect themselves?
This is what economists call individual adaptation. In theory, it should totally help, right?
But in practice, this kind of adaptation is just, it's not enough, for a bunch of key reasons.
Okay, so the next logical step would be for local communities to try and take collective action.
And while local action is good for local problems, it's totally outmatched by today's biggest environmental crises.
So if individuals and communities both fall short, that leaves a third option with a pretty surprising result.
Research shows that formal government regulation, even when it's kind of clumsy and inefficient, actually works.
Yeah, despite their flaws, these regulations deliver huge returns because a cleaner environment is just that valuable.
So the evidence really points to a clear three-step conclusion about what works and what just doesn't. Which brings us back to our original question and a really clear answer from the research.
The real takeaway here is that we need to totally rethink the entire model of development itself.
And here's the crucial point. Building the capacity for effective regulation, that could be the smartest investment of all.